नमस्ते दोस्तों, hello friends, this is Suman Sarma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also well. So in this video we will discuss about AIS report. AIS full form, it's annual information statement. Everyone reconcile their AIS report before filing their ITR return. If you are trying to file your ITR return, so before filing your ITR return, make sure your AIS report has been reconciled by you, and before filing ITR you must reconcile your AIS report. So how to download AIS report, I have already been made a video related how to download AIS report from income tax portal. If you have not watched that video, so let me tell you. So if you want to download AIS report from income tax portal, so first you need to open income tax portal by searching www.incometax.gov.in. When you will open this website, you have to log in your account by using your PAN and your login ID and password. After login, you will get to see under download section AIS report. Click on that option and download your AIS report. After downloading your AIS report, you will get to see all the transaction over there, and you have to reconcile all those transaction showing over there. If you will find any transaction is not belong to you or your business, so you have to report that transaction. If is there any transaction is duplicate, let's suppose any transaction you have seen once, and after that one more time the same transaction is showing in that report, it means that is duplicate transaction for you. So you can report duplicate transaction or incorrect transaction, or if any transaction showing wrong amount, so you can report all this type of transaction over there. So when you will open AIS report, and if any transaction is not related to you or related to your business, so uh, front of the transaction you will get to see provide feedback option is over there. Click on this option. Under this option you will get to see four option is showing under drop down. Information is not correct, information is duplicate, and information is relate to other PAN, information is denied. So your transaction, if your transaction is related to any of this, you can select. If let's suppose if any transaction is not belong to you or belong to your business, so you can select the first option, information is not correct, and submit the feedback. If your transaction is showing duplicate, so you can select the second option, information is duplicate. If any transaction is showing other PAN, so you can select information is related to other PAN. So these four options you can use related as per your requirement. So as you found any transaction duplicate, any wrong transaction, any wrong amount transaction, or any transaction is not related to your business, so you can report by choosing these options as I have shown you in this video. Once you select this option and submitted your feedback, so this feedback is legal proof that you are agree, you are submitting this as a legal proof to the government that this transaction is not belong to you or this transaction is duplicate. This is a confirmation provided by you to the government. So and this feedback uh, goes to CPC center, central processing central, and this feedback is going to be used in assessment. So I hope this information will help you out. If any transaction under AIS report is related duplicate or not related to your business, or amount is wrong, or not related to your PAN, so you can report this kind of transaction under AIS report. I hope this information help you out. If this information will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.